Hey there, it's William, and if you've been searching for a way to improve your dental health naturally, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Dentivive before you make a purchase. We'll cover what it does, why it's worth trying, and some very important tips to make sure you buy it safely. So let's get right into it. First things first, a quick but important alert before you buy Dentivive. Make sure you purchase it only from the official website. There are a lot of fake products out there pretending to be the real thing, and you don't want to risk getting something that could be ineffective or even harmful. Stick with the official website to ensure you get the legitimate product and the benefits that come with it. And don't worry, I'll leave a link to the official site in the description below so you can easily find it. So, what exactly is Dentivive? It's a powerful dietary supplement designed to support healthy teeth and gums. Made from a blend of all natural ingredients like vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts, it's formulated to fight off harmful bacteria, promote stronger enamel, and reduce gum inflammation. Ingredients like vitamin C and zinc help with immune support, while herbs like green tea extract and licorice root are known to reduce plaque and support overall oral hygiene. With consistent use, Dentivive can help improve your breath, reduce gum sensitivity, and even whiten your teeth over time. It's like giving your mouth the care it deserves from the inside out. Now, let's talk about how easy Dentivive is to use. All you need to do is take 2 capsules a day, one in the morning and one in the evening with a glass of water. That's it. No complicated routines, no messy powders, just simple, convenient daily use. And since it's in capsule form, it's super easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you're at home or on the go. Many users have already reported great results from using Dentivive. They've experienced stronger teeth, reduced gum irritation, and an overall improvement in their oral health within just a few weeks. And the best part? It's backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try Dentivive risk-free, and if you don't see the results you're looking for, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. So if you're serious about improving your dental health naturally, Dentivive could be the perfect solution for you. Remember, the key is consistency. Take it daily and give it time to work. And don't forget, only buy it from the official site to make sure you're getting the real deal. I've put the link in the description below for your convenience. Go ahead and check it out. If you're ready to invest in your oral health, now's the time to take action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more reviews and health tips. See you next time.